So this is a new box that I've just got. Craftiosity. That's probably said wrong, but you know me, I can't pronounce things. But it's a craft kit, so it's not just yarn. This each month is a different craft to do, and this one is my first box, so we're going to get to look inside and see what it is. So let's just open it up. Okay, so we have a little information card, which look, they even addressed to me. How lovely is that? And as it's my first one. So this is really cool. So it's actually quite a nice touch that they've even taken the time to welcome me for being my first box. And so this one is an iron-on foil embroidered bag craft kit. So this is going to be quite interesting. Oh, it's an actual card. Look at this. It's nice. Let's see if we can open it up. Isn't that pretty? Nice and blank, so it can be for any card. A lovely brown envelope. So isn't that lovely? I really like that. Okay, so this looks like the instructions to what we'll be doing, which that's our template. And yep, we've got the instructions in here of everything we'll be doing. So that's quite cool. So looks like it's got some pretty good instructions, which is good because I've never done this, so this is going to be interesting. Oh, so we've got some embroidery thread. Shall we open these up so you can see through the bag, because we've got quite a reflection, haven't we? So we've got this gorgeous colour here, nice light blue here. And then this is a really nice deep blue. These feel lovely, I tell you. They're really soft. Oh, we got two of this colour. And then, so these are really pretty. They are really soft. I'm really quite impressed with that. Let's have a look. 1mm Blue Harmony bundle. Don't know if you can see that. There you go. They're lovely. They are. Honestly, you can't tell, but they are super soft. Okay, so this is cool. So we've got a needle in here. That's quite cool. That they. Don't know if you can see, contains needle pins with functional sharp points. That's actually really quite cool. So let's see if we can peel this off. Oh. Either this is really sticky or I'm just really weak. Oop. Haven't run away, so there we go. So we got a nice sewing needle there. That looks like a really nice and sharp one. Just put it back in there for safekeeping, because I think that's a really nice place to keep it. So this must be the foil. So I might need to take it out the wrapper so you can see. But there you go, let's be cut out and we iron it on. There we go, down here, let's have a look. Should we open it up and have a look? Oh, so that's interesting. So we've got the super shiny side, which actually has a plastic. I don't want to take it off and ruin it, but it's got a. Can you just see that? It's got a nice plastic coating on, and then the other side's not so shiny. So I'm guessing this is the side it sticks down, and then we peel off this plastic. So that's really nice. I'm really intrigued how to use this because I've never used it, but it looks reasonably simple. There we are, pulling off the thicker plastic that's on top. And then we have a bag. So this is a really nice big canvas bag, and I can see it's drawstrings on both sides, so attached to the bottom, and then drawstrings across the top. So let's see. Yeah, that does that quite nicely. There we go, look at that. So these are the straps. So that's really nice. I'll do it again. I spotted a label in there, let's have a look. Yep, 100% natural cotton. Actually really nice, I'm looking forward to working with that. It's actually going to give me a nice project bag, because we all know me by now, I like my project bags. And then we've got a white pencil. I don't know if you'll be able to see the gold writing. I'm assuming this is a tailor's chalk of some kind. I would have thought so. Don't know, but I'm assuming it's a kind of tailor's chalk, but to find out when I read it I suppose we'll know, but that's quite nice. And then I think that's everything. Yep, so I do like the packaging. It's little crinkles. Is it sad that I like that? But I like it. So I think this is a really nice box, and I'm actually really looking forward to playing with this and seeing how it all works. It's all going to go back in the wrong order, I'm afraid, because I can't remember it all. Put the needle in. But I think there's a lovely box for my first one, and I'm going to have a lot of fun playing with it. It's not that complicated, honest. I'm just useless at those type of boxes. So yeah, I'm really happy with that. I will show you once I've done it what it comes out like, but it's going to be my first attempt at doing foil work, so I might even try to record it so you can see how a complete newbie like me finds it. That might be interesting, but I don't know what's in the next month's box. Each box is different, but if you check out their website, they do list on there what's coming. Because I knew what this one was going to be before it arrived, because they give us little sneak peeks. And this is a monthly box, and it's 20 something pound, free postage for UK, and they post it out around the 15th of each month. It's now the 17th and it's already here. I got the email on the 15th to say they posted it. May have been yesterday, I can't remember. But I'm really happy with it, and I'm really looking forward to it. So why don't you let me know down below what you think of it, and what you think maybe will be coming in the next one, because I'm intrigued to find out. If you Google these, you can actually see other people who have done their previous kits, and there's some really nice kits out there, so I do recommend having a look and seeing what you think. But I think that's really good, and hopefully you'll enjoy watching this video. So I'll see you all soon. You take care. Bye.